I'm back with another video, and today I'm showing you all of my slimes. I don't have that much slime, so you're gonna have to deal with it. The first I'm gonna show you is this orange slime. I don't know why it's not showing orange in there, but it's orange. Maybe I think I'll get some more light. When I get the light going, then I'll show you all my slimes up. So, I kind of got the light better, but it's not all that better. Don't mind my hair. Here, I'll probably pin it back. I want to distract you guys. So, it's tan. In my night, I don't look tan. That's why I look very shiny, but it's really natural. Okay, shut up. Oh, God, yes. This is. Maybe I should put y'all right here so y'all can see the slime. Okay, so this is what it's really stretchy. It's kind of it's sticky too. Sticky. See about clicking this. Okay. It's really clicky, but I love it. It's so freaking pretty. I'm trying to make a slime bubble with it. How pretty that is. My arms are all the way up as far as they can go, and this is still going. Oh god, there's so much slime. It's not all that much of slime, but it's like. Listen. All those little slime balls. What? I want Dada. I can't help with that. I want Dada. Dada, Dada, Dada. Go get him. Give me Dada. Dada, Dada, Dada. I want Dada. Go get him. You don't gotta sit right next to me, move. Dada? Go get him. Okay, this is the other slime. I'm gonna get this one from away and get the other one. The other one is the blue slime I really like. My camera don't videotape long, so this might not be such a long video. This slime's also sticky. Stretchy. Clicky. Nice. The next slime is this pink slime. It's bubblegum pink. It's stretchy. It's not that clicky, but those are all the slimes that I had. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a big old thumbs up. And if you guys, whoever comments this video first, don't forget to like and subscribe. Whoever subscribes and like and subscribe and comment, and who I'm gonna pick somebody to get a slime. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.